Yep, that's Wayne Smith, rugby journalist. What a morning it is to be a Welsh rugby fan. Good morning. If you have just joined us, I hope that you have a spring in your step this morning, despite it being grey and damp out there yesterday, and it was certainly wet for a lot of us. Torrential rain has battered parts of Wales over the weekend. Many areas and local businesses flooded due to an almighty downpour, and Peterston, Super Ely in the Vale of Glamorgan. Well, it was pretty hard hit yesterday after the local river burst and water flowed onto the roads and into the local pub, and one local had to just ditch the car, leave it there and get a canoe to get around the area. Well, councillor for Peterston Super Ely is Michael Morgan, and he joins us now. Good morning, Michael.
Good morning, Claire. How are you?
Very well, but feeling for everybody there this morning. I tried to drive through the village yesterday lunchtime and just saw that the water was completely covering the road. The water had burst its banks. I mean, this is an area that is prone to flooding now and again, but is that the worst you've ever seen?
It's pretty bad, but it's not the worst we've ever seen, but it doesn't happen that often. Perhaps every 3 years or so we get a flood, but then it doesn't last long. It's up overnight, and it was gone by yesterday evening. So it's not a disaster really, but just very inconvenient for a short period.
And plenty of mopping up for people to do. I could see that the pub had its sandbanks out, and chairs were put on the tables. A lot of clearing up to do.
Well, it is, but in the sportsmen's, they're ready for it now, and there's always volunteers on hand to get everything safe, and they are not going to be closed for long. They're open for business again this evening for the village quiz, and so we applaud everything they do to keep our important pubs going.
They were probably expecting a really busy morning with rugby fans yesterday morning, though, weren't they?
I think so. They lost out on that, but so a lot of people were stuck in their houses, unfortunately, but ventured out later to view the torrents.
And I know they are a resilient lot down there. What have locals been telling you? We're hearing, people canoeing down the roads yesterday.
There was one canoeist, a couple of people who failed to get through the floods, but the important thing, people stick together out here, and the village shop open for everybody so that there could be a run on newspapers, bread and milk. Our parish priest, Father Martin, needed to get to a christening, so Robert Rees, the farmer from Pendorlin, came down in his tractor to make sure the child was christened in Pendorlin yesterday morning. So people get by, people look after one another.
A community rallying together. Good to hear it. Councillor Michael Morgan, Councillor for Peterston Super Ely. Thank you very much indeed. It's 7:47.